Chinese girl from Mad TV. Is she you?
Mm-hmm. Uh-oh, somebody about to go down. What are you doing? Uh-oh. Lisa. Lisa. Uh-oh. Really?
She broke it.
Oh no! Did it break? Did you break that? Huh? What did you do? Huh? Oh, you want the one that ain't broke? Put that one back since you broke it, huh? I can't believe you broke the coaster. What'd you do? What happened? Standing up all by yourself. You just can't believe it, huh? What are you going to do now? Huh? Put it back like you didn't get it? What? Really? Is that what happened? Huh? Uh-oh. Oh no, what did you do?
Did you rip it? Oh my god.
She tore it all to pieces.
Only kid I know that can break a wooden coaster.
Just getting the good one. Oh, nope. What are you doing that for? Huh? Oh, you don't want the broke one. You want the one that's all together, huh? Yep, there you go. What are you going to do with it? Oh, you throw it down, see if you can break it too? Lisa, tell me bye-bye. Bye. Bye.